Apple Puff Pastry Donuts Recipes. Apple Puff Pastry Donut Hack. ChatGPT. Here's your output. Apple Puff Pastry Donuts. Flaky Apple Cinnamon Puff Pastry Donuts. Ingredients. 1 sheet puff pastry, thawed. 1 large apple, peeled, cored, and thinly sliced. 1/4 cup sugar. 1 teaspoon cinnamon. 1 egg, beaten, for egg wash. Powdered sugar for dusting. Directions. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Roll out the puff pastry sheet on a lightly floured surface until slightly thinner. Cut the puff pastry into circles using a donut cutter or a large and small cookie cutter to create donut shapes. Mix the sugar and cinnamon in a small bowl. Place a few apple slices in the center of each donut shape. Sprinkle a bit of the cinnamon sugar mixture over the apples. Place another donut shape over the top and press the edges together to seal. Brush the tops with the beaten egg for a golden finish. Place the donuts on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the donuts are puffed and golden brown. Dust with powdered sugar before serving. Prep time, 10 minutes. Cooking time, 15 minutes. Total time, 25 minutes. Kcal, 220 kilocalories. Servings, 4 servings.